everybody's leather that's watching this video, it's supposed to look like that. All right, guys, so here's my newest purchase. It is from the Rag Company. It's a air gun, and so let's clean this out. So let's see what it does. Man, thank goodness for trucks, am I right? It can slide all the way across the front. So when you're cleaning the wheel and it's done, you see the leather now, it doesn't have quite that gloss shine to it anymore because all that's the oils that get on the steering wheel. So now it kind of has that, it's like a matte kind of finish where it's like almost glossy, but really it's just clean. And a lot of people think their leather needs to be shiny, but it doesn't. It needs to look like this for the most part. There are exceptions, but everybody's leather that's watching this video, it's supposed to look like that. So for this part, we're going to use called a waffle weave towel. As you can see, it's got them waffles in it, and it's supposed to really help with getting a streak-free shine. And what do you know? It's pretty darn streak-free if I've seen it.
So something I've been learning while I've been recording these videos is that every now and then my microphone dies. Just cleaning underneath the driver's area, wiping that down with microfiber, and now I'm moving on to the door. My wife was kind enough to help me record some of this stuff in the video today. So that was very helpful for me to not have to focus on that and just use my time and just cleaning. Here, it was kind of tough to get these window buttons, but I ended up just being able to get my finger in there, and I did get them out pretty good. And also, here's a bit of a disclaimer. The bottle says spick and span, but it is CarPro Multi-X diluted 10-to-1. So it is not your traditional spick and span that you would use. And now back to the traditional sound of the video. So tires are admittedly my favorite thing, because you get an insane before and after. I mean, you can already see the dirt and road grime coming off with just like the first spray and going through the first time with the tire brush. I mean, it's still sitting there on the tire, and then go into the wheel well, into the barrel, and you just see it just melt out of the spokes. I mean, just look at that. I've begun including the washing off of the tools as well because I think that looks good and you can just see all the nastiness that's in there. This is one of my least favorite things to use. It's just such a pain to get in every single spoke. But at the end, you can see it literally looks like a brand new tire and a brand new rim.